You just wait another few seconds for your friends to follow us. Yes, Yusuf.
Yes, Mister, you said for us question number 10 and 11 in page 141
Ah,
to do them. Question number 10, I can't understand it.
question number 10.
Yeah,
Let me check it.
the problem solving.
Yeah, wait. That question number 10 says the table shows the distances between major cities. Mrs. Santiago has a flight from Los Angeles to Toronto. If the plane would travels at 520 miles per hour, how many hours long is the flight?
Yeah, I can't understand.
Now, how many miles we have?
520.
Good. Now, how many miles we have in total? Look.
520.
طيب لا يا مستر in total. Look here. Look at the board. Wait. I want to open my camera.
Okay.
Look here. Now, if you can travel in 1 hour, in 1 hour, you can travel, let's say, 100 kilometers. Okay? In one
Yeah.
hour, you can travel 100 kilometers. But if the whole distance you need to travel is 600 kilometers. How many hours you need?
6.
6 hours. How you get it? We divide the number of the
Yeah.
whole or total distance on each hour distance you can travel, which is 100, right? It is the same idea, okay?
Okay.
Now let's go to lesson 2 quickly, which is compute with multi-digit decimals. Now let's start. طبعا to compute, we will do the four operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And let's start with addition and subtraction. Yeah. Now to add and subtract, guys, to add and subtract decimals, the first thing and the most important thing you need to do is to align the numbers very well. To align the decimals very well, guys, you need to put the decimals first over each other. Let's start with example 1, page 100. Let me check the page for you.
144.
144, excellent. Yeah, page 144. We have example 1. Let's add some decimals here. The first to find 23 decimal 489, 23 decimal 489 plus 14 decimal 93, 14 decimal 93. Now, to add these kind of numbers, guys, first thing you need to put the decimal over the decimal. And we did that in grade 5, if you remember. And we said many times in grade 5, put the decimal over decimal, then align the numbers. Put the decimal over decimal, then align the numbers, many times. And when we took a quiz or exam after that thing, a lot of you know they did not put that. They get mistakes. Why? I don't know. Just follow the orders, guys. These are orders. Follow them. Now, put the decimal over the decimal. Then you align the digits to the left and to the right in both numbers. So here we have 23. And make spaces, guys. Do not make 23 decimal بعرفش ايش وتحطك زي السلطة تعمل لي. No, make spaces. Make spaces between the digits so everything will be clear in front of you. Now 2, 3, then 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9. And let's align the second number under of it. 1, 4. This is 1, 4. 93. This is 93. Add. Here we have one empty space. If you have empty spaces, you can fill them with zeros. Okay? If you align well, guys, if you align the digits well, then the process is very easy. It's very easy. Do not put like this, 23.489 and 14 decimal 14, for example, 14.93 like this. This is wrong. No, this is wrong. Even you add correct, the answer will be wrong. Okay? Align very well. Decimal over decimal, digits to the left, to the right, in the same positions. Now, after you align very well and you fill the empty spaces with zeros, just add normal addition. And we start from the right, not from the left. Addition. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. 1, 1 by hand. 5 with 9, 14. 14. And the decimal comes on its place, the same place. Not to the right, not to the left, on the same place, on one column. Now add here 8 and here 3. So the answer 38 and 419 thousandths THS. Thousandths THS. This is how to add. Under the addition of under this example, guys, we have check a question. And you have space under the check here. You can do it there. Yalla, go. If you don't have questions, guys, do the check. If you have a question, put your hand. Abdul Rahman Sayyid.
Yes, Mr. Mr.
Yes.
In the question you make it, you write 23.498. As the
89.
But it is in the book 98.
It's okay. No, I switched here. It's okay. It's okay. ما في مشكلة. It's okay. It's example.
Okay.
It's okay. You understand the idea?
Yes.
It's okay. يلا do the. Thank you, Abdul Rahman. يلا. I will write the check question here. We have 356.725. 356.725 plus what? Plus 142.4. 142.4. And while you are doing it, I will do it on the board so you check your answers. No, I will wait a moment to let you solve it first. It's easy, guys. It's easy, but it's important to align very well. It's a small detail, but it's so important. It's so important. It's a small detail, but it's so important. Right. Yusuf.
Yes, Mr. I finished. Can I do it with you?
Yeah. What I will do here? Tell me. The first thing.
Decimal over decimal.
Decimal over decimal.
Yeah.
The first thing, decimal over decimal. Then
align.
Align.
356.
7, 2, 5, and 1, 4, 2, 4.
4 and 2 zeros.
And make spaces, guys. Make it clear for you. Do not make it so close. Okay? Now here we have 2 empty spaces. We fill them with what, Yusuf?
Zeros.
Yeah, let's add quickly. 5, 2, 11, 9, the decimal, it's the place, 9, 4.
9, 4.
So we have 499 and 125,000 THS. Thousandths. THS, it's decimal. This is the check, guys. Check your answers quickly. And let's move to example 2. Example 2. Example 2, it's on page 145. We will subtract in this example 163.45, 163.45 minus 85.374, 85.374. Now you know that subtraction number always up. In the subtraction, the first number always up. So here I will do same the addition. First we do decimals over each other. Align the first number 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, and look here, I make spaces between them. Then 85, not like this. This is wrong. No, this is wrong. 5 under 3, and here the 8. And here 3, 4, 7. 3, 4, 7. Look how I aligned the numbers. Now we have 2 empty spaces, I think, or 3. No, 2 empty spaces. Let's fill them with zeros. Here I have 1 empty space, and here I have 1 empty space. And let's subtract. Everything is ready to subtract. Now we subtract starting from the right, not from the left. Now 0 minus 7, it is not 7. 0 minus 7, it is not 7. 0 minus 7, it cannot be. This will be 4. This will be 10. Subtract. Here 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Decimal on the same place. Now 3 minus 5, it is not 2. Borrow 1. This will be 13. 13 minus 5, 8. 5 minus 8 cannot be. Borrow 1. The 5 will be 15. Minus 8. 7. So the answer 78 and 103 thousandths. 103 thousandths. This is example 2. Under the example, guys, we have check. Do it. If you don't have questions, do the check question under this example, guys.
Mister, you
If
have
you have a question,
you have
put your hand. What?
you switched the 4 and the 7.
يا زلمة عادي. Which one here? 74, 47?
Yeah.
It's okay, mister. It's only example. It's okay. It's okay. We understand the idea.
Yeah.
It's okay, because the book is far from me, so I get lazy to go there and come back, you know? But let's go to the check. If you don't have any questions, guys, do the check. If you have, put your hands. Omar. وغسان. سوري لا
انا كنت قاعد بعمل لور هاند بسرعه قبل ما تجي.
طيب it's okay يا عمر. يلا do the check. ريان.
No, mister, I was only one to answer.
طيب يا ريان. يلا let's do the check. Do the check يا ريان. يلا do it in your book. أشوف.
Mister, can I answer?
يلا يا عبد الحميد. What I will do the first thing here.
Decimals.
يلا decimals over each other. Decimals over each other. Then the first number up 3, 5, 6, 1, 8. The second number 1, 4, 2, 5, 7. I have one empty space here. Put
0
yeah.
beside the 8.
Good. So 0 besides the 8 over the 7. And guys, make them columns more over each other. Not the 1 here and the 2 here. The 8 here and the 5 here. It will be mansaf.
Confused.
Okay, it won't be math.
Mister,
No.
0 cannot be.
Good. 0 cannot be with 7. This will be what?
7.
7.
0
And this will be
10.
yeah.
3.
10 minus 7.
3.
7 minus 5. 2. 1 minus 2.
1 from
1.
the 6.
No,
No.
1.
No.
Are
1
you
minus
sure?
2, yeah, mister.
Okay, yeah. You are مصحصح. This will be 5. This will be 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. The decimal comes down.
Decimal
5 minus 2, 3. 5
1.
minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 213 and 923 thousandths. Check your answers, guys, please. Check your answers and take a look here. For example, guys, 9 minus 3 decimal 48. 9 minus 3 decimal 48.
I know, yeah, mister.
Now, this 9, what?
Can I solve it? I know.
Abdul Hamid, do not talk without my permission, mister.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, this 9, guys, has no decimal point. But this number has decimal point. Do not say 9 minus 3, 6. Or 48, hey, 48, تزعلش يا mister. No, this is wrong. You need to align. Here the 9 has no decimal. So you add decimal. You put the decimal after the digit, after the number, not before. So 9, and this is decimal, and this is the second decimal. And we align now here, 3, 4, 8. Empty spaces, add zeros. Then subtract normally. 0 minus 8, 0 minus 4, this will be 8, this will be 9, this will be 10, 2, 5, decimal, 8 minus 3, 5, not 6. So the answer 5 decimal 52 hundredths. So if the number has no decimal, you put decimal for it and do the same way. So let's go to example 3 together. Example 3, page, I don't know which page.
Page
Okay.
146.
Yeah, 146, we have 25 minus 17, 469. 25 minus 17, decimal 469. Now, the 25 has no decimal, and this number has a decimal. So we put to 25 decimal, align the second digit. To know how many zeros we need, okay, so align the second digit. So here I need the 3 zeros. I fill them, zeros. Now do subtraction normally. 0 minus 0, 0 go to the 5, right? This will be 4, this will be 9, this will be 9, and this will be 10. And do subtraction normally. 10 minus 9, 1, 3, 5, decimal. 4 minus 7, it cannot be 1, 14, 14 minus 7, 7, and this 0. Now this 0 has no value, no need for it. So the answer is 7.531 thousandths. Now to go to the check, under this example, we have a check in the same idea, and do it in your box, guys, quickly. So again, if the number has no decimal, you can add decimal and do the same steps there.
I finished that check.
مين اللي بيحكي هذا؟
I am Yusuf Tamer.
يوسف.
Yeah.
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله. طيب. Let's go to the check. Let's go to the check. Okay. Hamad Jundi, he will solve the check with me. Muhammad Jundi, where are you? Muhammad.
Yeah, Mister.
Yalla, Muhammad. Tell me the numbers in the check. The first number.
34 minus 9.142.
Yalla, Muhammad. What I need to do here?
Add decimal to the 34.
Hi, 3, 4, and this is decimal, and the second decimal under it, right?
Right.
No, the 9 under which? Under 3, right? The 9?
No.
No, the 9 under mean under 4. Good boy. And here we have 1, 4, 2. So how many zeros we need up? 3 zeros. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and here we have empty space also. Now we are ready for what, Mister?
For minus.
Subtraction. Yalla, 0 minus 2 is 2, right? 0
No.
minus 4, huh?
No.
Huh?
We borrow from the 4.
We borrow from the 4. This
The
4.
4.
This will be 3. This will be 9. This will be 9. And this will be 10. Now, 10 minus 2.
10 minus 2, 8.
8. Here.
5.
5. Here. 8. Decimal. 10 minus 9. It cannot. This will be. This will be 4. And the 2
will be 2.
Comes down. So the answer 24 decimal 858,000 with THS. With THS. Check your answers operation, which is multiplication. Multiplication. Yeah, let's do multiplication together. And focus here, guys. Let's remember, also we did it in grade 5, how to multiply decimals, multiplication of decimals. Now, look here. Let's take this small example here. Let's remember together. If I want to multiply 2.4, multiply 3.6, 3.06, for example. Okay? Now here we multiply without decimals. We did that before. We multiply the decimals first without using the decimals. In the addition and subtraction, we put decimals in the operations here. In our work, we always put decimals. But in the multiplication, no, do not put decimal. So this number without decimal is a 24. This number without decimal is a 306. Right? Now, to multiply these two numbers, this has 2 digits, this has 3 digits. Do not put like this. No, put the 3 digits up and the 2 digits down. Because the multiplication is commutative. And commutative property means you can switch. You can put this here, the answer will be the same. 2 by 3 is a 3 by 2, it's the same. So 306 multiply 24. After you do multiplication, you will have your answer here of this multiplication. Let's see 27814. I don't know if it's correct or no. I'm just guessing. Not guessing. I just want to finish the example quickly. Now, after you finish, you take this answer and put it here after the equal. Okay? Now you'll go to this number. Now forget these numbers. I don't need them. All my work is here. I get the answer, put it here, and forget everything. Now here, I will count the digits after the decimal, not before. To the right of the decimal, not to the left. So here we have 1 digit, and here we have 2 digits after the decimal. So together we have 3 digits. Now together we have 3 digits. We will go to my answer here, starting from the right, and count 3 digits and put my decimal point.
Mister.
Sometimes we need to add zeros. Sometimes we don't need. It depends on the 2 numbers. So let's do example 3, example 4, sorry, together on the board to understand this idea more.
You missed the one after the 4.
Mr. Whatever, I'm talking about general idea only. Don't care.
Yes.
Let's care about the example now. Example 4, 0.067. 0.067 multiply what, Abdul Hamid?
1.42.
1.42. Now, let's prepare ourselves. This number without decimal is 0067. 00, I remove the decimal only. Now, these two zeros to the right, to the left, sorry, has no value. If you want to read this number, it is 67. But if these zeros here, no, they have value. So different. So this zero here, no need for them. You can erase them. Don't put them in the multiplication process. And here the number, this number without decimal, 142. Here we have 3 digits, 2 digits. Put the 3 digits up, multiply the 2 digits down, and do multiplication. 2 digits with the 3 digits as you did before. Now let's start with the 7, multiply with the 3 numbers up. 7 by 2, 14. 7 by 4, 28 with 1, 29. 7 by 1, 7 with 2, 9. We finished with the 7. Now we don't need these numbers. We erase them. And down, we start with 0, guys. You know that. And go to the 6 and do the same multiplication. 6 with 2, 12. 6 by 4, 24 with 1, 25. And 6 by 1, 6 with 2, 8. Here, 0, then do add. Now 4, 11, 15, 9. Now after I finish, I don't care about all of these things. I care about this one, this number, put it here. So this is equal 9514. Hi, 9514. I put my answer, but it's not correct answer. Not yet. Here, I will go to this number and I will count the digits after the decimal to the right. How many digits here? We have 3 digits. And here we have 2 digits. 3 and 2 together, we have 5 digits. So I will go to my answer here from the right, not from the left. Count 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need the 5th one. Put 0 to make them 5. After that, you put what? Your decimal. Let me just make it smaller here. Okay, so again, this is my answer of the normal multiplication. I will go here, count the numbers after the decimal 3, and here 2, together 5. Go to your answer. From the right, count 5 digits. بدك تجيب 5 digits. كيف بعرفش؟ 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 1, add 0 to make them 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you put your decimal. And don't leave this empty. بيزعل. حرام. Put it 0. So the answer is 0.09514. This is how we do multiply, guys. Under this example, you have to check. Do it in your book. Go. Now, all of you remove your hands, guys. All of you, please. So I can manage the things here. All of you, remove your hands. عمر وجندي وغسان, remove your hands. لازم أحكي بالاسم يعني. عمر. Now, if you have a question about multiplication, put your hand. يلا عمر.
Mr. Why when you make why when in the subtract and addition when you get the answer you said it's thousand.
Thousands?
Yes.
Look here. How we read this?
2.3.
3 what? Tenths.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes.
Tenths. طب how we read this?
2.100.
وين ال 100 يا زلمه؟ read.
طب هو there ones.
2 point, mister, we
Mr.
said the
Fog,
first
one.
digit, if we have one digit, is tenths. 2 digits after the decimal, it's what?
Thousands. 100.
No. Hundredths. Remember?
Yes.
Now, if we have 3 digits, thousands with THS. There is no ones. ما في ones. We're starting from tenths. If we have 1 digit, 2 digits hundredths, 3 digits thousands. Get it?
Yes.
Yeah. Go to the check under the example number 4 and do it, please.
I do it.
Yeah, good boy. Wait the correction. We have 14.7 multiply by 11.361. 11.361. Now check your answers, guys. Here we have 5 digits with 3 digits, which is kind long. My numbers correct here, guys, from the book. 14.7, 11.361, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Now this number without decimal is 147. This number without decimal is 11361. Now I'll put the second number up because it has more digits. So 11361 multiply 147. And here no need the 7 to be under the 1 or the 4 to be under 6. And no need. Why? Because we are not aligning in multiplication. In multiplication, we multiply this down with all of the up. So no need to align very, very well. Now let's multiply normal as we know. Let's start with 7. 7 by 1, 7. 7 by 6, 42. 2 down, 4 up. 7 by 3, 21. With 4, 25. 5 down, 2 up. 7 by 1, 7. With 2, 9. 7 by 1, 7. I'm done with 7. Now I don't need these 4 and this 2. Why? Because they are related for the 7 and I'm finished with the 7. Now the second line, as we know, we start with 0. And we will move to the 4 and we will multiply same. 4 by 1, 4. Now down here, guys, you need to what? To align very well. Down. 4 by 1, 4. 4 by 6, 24. 4 down, 2 up. 4 by 3, 12. With 2, 14. 4 down, with 1 up. 4 by 1, 4. With 1, 5. 4 by 1, 4.
You will
Now the third number here, it needs third line here. Yalla, in the third line, guys, the second line we add 0, the third line, don't forget to make 2 zeros, then you start. Now the 1 by 1, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, same. 1 by 1, 1. And here, guys, look, a line, so you won't be confused. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 6, 6. 1 by 3, 3. 1 by 1, 1. 1 by 1, 1. Line. And if you have empty spaces,
put zeros.
Make 0. Here we have 0 and here we have 2 zeros. And we have now all of them are filled. Now what? We add the 3 lines of numbers here. Here 7, here 6, here 10, 10, 20, 9, with 8, 17, right? And here 6, and here 1. Now, I don't care about all of these things here. I don't care about them. I care about this now. I take it and I will go back to my question here and I put equal. And I'll put all of the numbers here. Same, 1, 6, 7, 2, 0, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 2, 0, 6, 7. Now I'll go to my numbers here. I have 1 digit here and a 3 digit here. Together, they are 4 digits after the decimal. So I'll go to my number from the right and count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put my decimal. Here, I did not add zeros like this one. Why? Because I have enough digits to count. I need 4 digits. I have 4 digits, so it's okay. This is the answer, 167 and 67 10,000ths. Check your answers. Check your answers, guys. Any questions before I log out? If you don't have any questions, remove your hands.
Mister, the homework, what did
you can check your marks of the exam, guys, and I send you. The homework, guys, we said that we don't want to keep saying that the same day. You have exams now, so it's not wanted from you to do the homework. We'll do it together tomorrow. But if you like to do it and send it to my Classera, it's good. Get to practice. It's okay. But tomorrow, anyway, we'll do them together. So you can prepare it today. Look what you will do, guys. Prepare it. Prepare. Tomorrow, check it with me because we'll do it on the board, inshallah. But still, the division, guys. Today we did add, subtract, multiply. Tomorrow, inshallah, we'll do the division. Then we'll go to the homework together. That's all for today, guys. Thank you, Omar. Stop recording. Thank you, guys. And see you tomorrow, inshallah.